What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now, today, we're diving into a super important topic that can change the way you feel, look, and perform every single day. We're talking about optimizing testosterone levels. Testosterone is often called the king of hormones, and for a good reason. It impacts everything from muscle mass, fat distribution, and strength to mood, energy, and even libido. As men, our testosterone levels peak in our early 20s, but from our 30s onwards, they start to slowly decline. The good news? You can fight back. Today, I'm going to share the most effective strategies to naturally optimize your testosterone levels and take your health to the next level. So let's break it down. First up, exercise. And not just any kind of exercise, strength training. Now, when it comes to testosterone, resistance training is your best friend. Studies show that lifting heavy weights triggers your body to produce more testosterone, especially when you focus on big compound movements, exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These compound exercises target multiple muscle groups, and that's where the magic happens. Your body reacts to the physical stress of lifting by releasing more testosterone to help repair and build muscle tissue. If you're not already incorporating strength training into your routine, it's time to start. Aim for 3 to 4 days a week with progressive overload, which means gradually increasing the weight as you get stronger. But hey, it's not just about lifting heavy. High-intensity interval training, aka HIIT, is another powerful way to boost testosterone. The reason HIIT works so well is because it combines short, intense bursts of exercise with brief rest periods, keeping your heart rate elevated while stimulating hormone production. So, whether you're sprinting on a treadmill or doing kettlebell swings, HIIT workouts are a great way to stimulate both fat burning and testosterone production. Try adding a couple of HIIT sessions to your week. Just 20 to 30 minutes of high-intensity work can give your testosterone levels a nice boost. All right, moving on to one of the most important but often overlooked factors for optimizing testosterone: sleep. Now, I know we all have busy lives, but if you're not getting enough sleep, your testosterone will take a major hit. Studies show that just 1 week of poor sleep can significantly lower your testosterone levels. And we're not talking about just any sleep. Quality sleep matters. To really optimize your testosterone, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. And make sure your sleep environment is set up for success. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. If you're someone who's constantly on their phone or laptop before bed, stop. The blue light messes with your sleep cycle and can lower your testosterone. Try winding down with a good book or meditation instead. And here's a pro tip. Getting up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which in turn helps keep your testosterone levels stable. Next up, nutrition. What you put in your body directly affects your hormone levels, including testosterone. So, if you're eating a lot of processed junk, it's time to rethink your diet. You want to focus on foods rich in healthy fats, lean proteins, and micronutrients that support testosterone production. Healthy fats, think avocados, olive oil, fatty fish like salmon, and nuts, are crucial. They provide the building blocks your body needs to make testosterone. Also, don't forget about vitamins and minerals. Zinc and vitamin D are especially important for testosterone. Foods like eggs, oysters, pumpkin seeds, and spinach are all packed with these testosterone-boosting nutrients. Another thing, protein is essential for muscle building and maintaining healthy testosterone levels, but don't go overboard with it. Aim for a balanced intake of protein, healthy fats, and carbs for optimal hormone production. Now, let's talk about stress. I know, It's unavoidable, right? But chronic stress is one of the biggest testosterone killers. When your body is stressed out, it releases cortisol, the stress hormone, which directly competes with testosterone. If your cortisol levels are consistently high, it can lead to a long-term drop in testosterone. To manage stress, try incorporating relaxation techniques into your routine. Meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises. These can all help lower your cortisol levels and keep your testosterone up. A little mindfulness goes a long way. Let's talk about alcohol. Moderation is key here. Sure, an occasional drink isn't going to tank your testosterone, but excessive alcohol consumption can. Studies have shown that drinking too much alcohol reduces testosterone levels and impairs muscle recovery. So, if you're serious about optimizing your testosterone, try to keep alcohol to a minimum.
So there you have it, guys.
Strength training, HIIT, quality sleep, proper nutrition, stress management, and alcohol moderation. All of these factors play a role in optimizing your testosterone levels. The good news is you don't need any fancy supplements or quick fixes. These are all natural, sustainable habits that will boost your testosterone and your overall health. And remember, optimizing your testosterone is a long-term game. It's not about a quick fix. It's about making consistent, healthy choices every day. You'll start to feel stronger, more energized, and more confident. Trust the process and take charge of your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and drop a comment below, letting me know which tip you're going to start implementing today. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that too. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.